There is Lovelies resin. I'm going to use the same technique as I used in a previous video because I like it and it's my channel, so no. And I'm also testing out whether you can hear me okay over my respirator. So today I am going to be using this chameleon. I wish I could remember where I bought this from. If anybody else has got these kind of chameleons, they came in a set and there was about 8 of them and they're amazing, and I can't find where I bought them from. So I'm going to use this colour, this fern green, beautiful muted green, and I'm going to use a purple. This is from the lovely Tasman Moore. Go check her out and say hi on Instagram. And she gifted me ages ago tons and tons of moulds, pigments, flowers, all sorts, and I'm still using them up, so thank you again. So let's see what happens here. So this is kind of an autumnal theme. Oh my god, this chameleon, sorry, my gosh, this chameleon is just phenomenal. So I'm going to be doing 4 coasters exactly the same. Oh gosh, I just love this chameleon. I wish I could remember where it was from. I really do. So I've done that, and then I'm going to use this green, use a bit of purple. I know, controversial, I just hope they don't mix and turn brown, but then again that's kind of an autumnal colour, so it wouldn't be that bad. And then I'm just putting a bit of this purple, but I think I need a bit more, don't you? I need some more colour, so I'm going to just mix up a bit more of the green. Alrighty, I'm back. So I've got a lot more of this. I think I want a lot more colour in this one because it's just so beautiful. I think I might just go around the outside. The blue. God, I just can't get enough of this. Maybe a bit of gold. I don't know what you think. I wish I could talk to you. I'm so indecisive. I can never tell really what I want to do. Right, so I've done the blue green and I'm going to do a bit more purple. These colours are just stunning. Why have I never done these before? Look. And then this one, I mean, and then these ones. So actually my least favourite colour is that fern green, to be honest. So this is it, Mineral Flakes Lavender from Resin. Absolutely stunning. And I'm not quite sure where to put these. I think I might just put them kind of right. Okay, you guys, I found these. I think these will go nicely. Chalky pink. So I'm just going to mix them in. And then put these in here. So pretty, aren't they? They turned out to be really quite feminine. These are the colours of my lounge, this kind of muted green and this kind of heather colour. I might have to keep these. I say that with most things, don't I? Okay, so I'm going to come back in an hour or so. Okay. Well, hello there, it's Live Seek Resin. I am demoulding my kind of, I don't know what I'm calling these, magical garden, I don't know. Oh gosh, they're so pretty, but these are the colours of my lounge. I am so pleased with them. So pretty. Really unique as well. I'm very, very happy with them. Micas just really make it, don't they? I don't know why my phone keeps losing focus. And then there are 2 more. So pretty. Oh wow. A lot more sort of fallen through on these. I do like them. Very unusual colour combination. Very pretty. Thank you so much for joining me.